Dustin here, and I'm coming to you with another Healthy Helpings video. And I know I say this every single week, but I truly have the simplest recipe for you guys to try, and it's just packed with flavor. So before I get started and dive into this recipe, I'm gonna go wash my hands. All right, now that my hands are all clean and washed, I am going to start assembling the recipe. So this week I have a fruit pizza. So this is just some fruit, some cream cheese on a whole wheat bagel or whole wheat waffle. You can also do an English muffin as well. I personally chose a waffle because that's what I had in my fridge, and it does the trick just as well as an English muffin or a bagel. So for this week, I have like I said, a whole wheat waffle. This has blueberries in it. You do not have to get the one with blueberries. You can get the regular if you like. I would consider just getting the one that's whole wheat because it has that fiber to keep you fuller longer and help with digestion as well. I also have some extra blueberries on the side. These are packed with antioxidants, and blueberries are one of my favorite fruits out there. Yummo. I can eat them all year round. I also have some reduced fat cream cheese. I love cream cheese, but I also want to be mindful, and I got the 1/3 reduced fat, because although some fat in our diet is good, like the omega-3 fatty acids, because they can help regulate body temperature and cushion our organs, we want to also make sure that we're getting the healthy fats. And if we're not getting the healthy fats, like this cream cheese, we want to just do as minimal as possible. But we don't have to cut it out altogether because we still got to live our best lives. And then lastly, I have some peaches. Peaches are in the harvest of the month right now. They're in season. I just love peaches. I drain the juice out of these so I don't get all the extra sugars in there. And I still have the nutrients and the flavor that I like. Okay, so I'm gonna get started in assembling my pizza. Now what I've done is I've toasted this, the waffle beforehand, and I let my cream cheese sit out just a little bit, just so it's a little bit easier to work with. So you can just pop the waffle into the toaster while you're getting your kids ready in the morning, or you're getting yourself ready in the morning, and as soon as it's done, you can just assemble it and then grab it and go. So I'm gonna start just by spreading some cream cheese over my waffle, just like so. And then we've all buttered some toast before, or some kind of carbohydrate, haven't we? And I'm spooning that on there. I'm gonna get it evenly distributed all the way around. So while I've got that done, I'm going to add my blueberries. And like I said, you can use any fruit that you want on this. You can do pineapples if you wish. You can do a banana. You can do strawberries. Literally, the sky is the limit. It's whatever you like. And then I'm gonna just add my peaches on top. Sprinkle that around. And I like that there's still just a little bit of syrup in there, so the recipe is not dry. You still get the cream cheese, the blueberry, and then the wetness from the peaches. So that is literally it, guys. That looks so delicious. I cannot wait to tear into it. And I'm so glad you guys joined me this week for the Healthy Helpings video. Please stay tuned and check out our video next week where my colleagues is going to do another simple, easy recipe. And if you have any suggestions or anything that you would like to see, please reach out to us. Our website is healthempowers.org, and we really want to hear from you guys and see what your favorite items are, and what are some easy items and recipes that you like to cook at home as well. Thank you so much, guys. See you next week.